Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you simple trading strategy. I'm going to be using volatile 75 for this. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and leave a good comment on this video. So this strategy is very simple. We are going to be using the flip zone, where you have the price pushing up this way. Okay, and you have this as our flip zone area, so we are expected to be buying here. Okay, so it's not just the normal flip zone, we are going to be adding a trend line and triple touch on this. Okay, so flip zone is one trading strategy on its own. Okay, so flip zone is a trading strategy on its own. So the next thing we are going to be looking out for is a trend. Okay, you want to connect a trend line and you wait for the price to bounce back on a trend line, and we are expected to be buying also at this point, right? So to be buying, that's number two, which is a strategy on its own, right? So after that, we're also going to be looking for um at what is called the triple touches. Okay, so when the price is trending to the upside, okay, we always look for opportunity to get the triple touches, which you can see the first touch, the second touch, and maybe the third touch of the trend line is here. So we are looking for these triple touches. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. The third touch of a trend line is always powerful. You can check it out and confirm it yourself. So this is also another strategy on its own. That's the third thing we are going to be looking for. Then the fourth thing is going to be we are looking for a pattern like W pattern, or head and shoulders pattern, or we are looking for candlestick pattern, which should be a bullish engulfing for an uptrending market. So we are combining these four things to take a quality trade. Okay, we are looking for quality trades, guys. So what are we looking for? You want to see something like this, guys. I want you to pay close attention. You want to see something like this, which is the this. Okay, we have another one this way, something like this. So now at this point we have a flip zone here. Okay, and we have a trend line here. So now we have a flip zone, which is number one. Okay, number one signal. Then we have 1, 2, 3, the triple touches. Okay, which is number two. This is going to be number two. Okay, then we have the trend line. Okay, which is number three. Then within this zone that we are having this the third touch, okay, and the flip zone with the trend line. Okay, we want to see within that zone, we want to see maybe a pattern. We want to see a pattern, maybe W pattern. I want to see a candlestick pattern right there. Okay, these are exactly what you want to see. I hope this is clear. Okay, so you needed a flip zone, you needed the triple touches, you needed the price at a trend line. You also, inside that particular touch or flip zone area, you want to see a reversal pattern or candlestick pattern at that zone. That's all. Okay, so let's go to chart example. So this is exactly what is playing out here. You can see we had a flip zone area right here. Okay, so we have also a trend line area right here. So we have the triple touches, 1, 2, 3 right here. So within this zone, we want to see, okay, we want to see W pattern, we want to see head and shoulders pattern, we want to see candlestick pattern like bullish engulfing at that zone for us to buy, right? So you identify this on a higher time frame, then you go to your entry time frame and look for pattern. So whatever you are going to be doing here should be on a lower time frame, like maybe 15 minutes time frame, or you are using 30 minutes time frame, or you are using maybe 5 minutes time frame. But I don't really like using 5 minutes, you can try it out yourself and know the one that is best for you. So this is a simple trading strategy which you can start trying out. Okay, so now if you come down to the lower time frame after identifying this good setup, okay, you can go down to a lower time frame like 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, you can see we already had an entry here where you have this double bottom right here. So if you actually buy at that zone, you are good. Even if you did not buy with a double bottom, you also have, which is the entry, you have bullish engulfing at this zone. Okay, so but not just that, even at this point, that's why I said I'm going to be doing a live trading, because I'm still having opportunity. The reason is that the price keep creating. You can see this low, which is a kind of low, and this one is lower than this one, and you also have a low here. So it's also a kind of a very powerful move right here, or signal that the price might likely keep pushing to the upside, right? So I'm still going to be taking a trade, right? So this is exactly what you want to see. Okay, these are the kind of move you want to see. So the price have to clear all these highs, okay, like it did here, clear this high. So you have the price, we are expecting the price to clear this and all this high, so that the price can easily push away from this ranging market here. Okay, so but all this is just simply signal showing us like reverse our weakness from, price pushing to the downside, giving us that reversal. So at this point, what I'm waiting for is just simply a bullish engulfing at this point. So once the price give me a bullish engulfing after the close of this candlestick, I am going to enter my trade. Okay, so that's simply what I'm going to be waiting for at that zone. So if you also look carefully, you are going to see also that if you are using the 15 minutes time frame, you can see I am likely going to be having the triple touches again right here. Okay, which is one, we have two, we have three. So I'm also going to be buying at triple touches on a lower time frame. I just needed the bullish engulfing candlestick at that point, and I'll enter my trade. Okay, so I want to clearly show you an example as I'm waiting for this candlestick to close. You can see we are having that signal right there. So I simply have to wait for this candlestick to close bullish, and I will enter my trade. Okay, so but before then, let's just do a little bit of back testing to see exactly how these things work. So I'll go to a higher time frame also, which is 4 hours, and I'll just shift a little bit. Okay, so if you look here, you're having the price pushing all the way to the downside after this kind of turning point here. Price push this way, created a high, push this way, created a high, push this way. Okay, so now what are we going to be doing? So let me just use this. So when the price created after this turning point, created a new high here, then created a low here. So we have a level, which is the level we are going to be looking forward to, which is this level we are right here. So let me just delete or shift this one so that I won't be confused. Okay, so when you have this level, so you drag it to this point. Okay, you're having a flip zone at this point. Okay, you now have a flip zone right here. So simply we are going to be, when the price breaks down, you're going to be waiting for the price to retest here to sell. So but not just that, we are looking also for a trend line, which if you pick a trend line and place this way, you're going to have this, and you also have this. Okay, so if you look what exactly what we have here, so you're going to be seeing that we have the first touch right there, have the second touch right here, and you have the third touch right here. So we also have in our third touch, we have our trend line. So within this zone, we are going to be looking for a reversal pattern to the downside. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking for. So I'll just pick a vertical line for us to know exactly where we are focusing on. So this is exactly where we are focusing on. So I'll go down to 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, you go to this zone. So this is the level you are going to be looking out for reversal pattern. Okay, because we have our triple touches at that point. Okay, so looking at this particular point, so you have a lot of signals here. You have the double top right here. Even within the second leg of the double top, we have a reversal pattern, which is head and shoulders pattern at this point. So if you did not sell with the double top, you can equally sell with head and shoulders pattern. So these are the patterns you can equally use to, make your entry. You can also make entry with this candlestick reversal pattern, which is the evening star. So which is exactly what is about to form right here. This one is going to be for the bullish. Okay, so that's exactly a live example or backtesting this particular strategy. So at that third touch, you are looking for reversal. So you can see a lot of things we consider or combine in order to take this trade. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long. This is exactly the same thing that happened, okay, right here. Okay, same thing that played out here. Okay, that is what we are actually looking forward to at this particular point here. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This is simple, this is easy. You can backtest this and see how powerful this strategy is. So I don't know why you are not going to give this video a good like and share. Okay, like this video, share this video. Let me know how you feel about this video. Okay, and if you want me to focus more on VS75, bringing strategies on VS75 and live trading example, if you know any indices that you want me to focus on, I want you to drop it in the comment section. From there, we'll know exactly what a lot of us are trading, and I will create more videos on that. Okay guys, and I hope this is helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy. Bye for now, guys.